Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of OPPO A74 5G. Let's get started. On the front, you can see the image of the phone. On the side, phone's name, and at the back, specifications of the phone. You can slide the box like this. Let's open the box. First, you will find the slit. Inside, you can see the SIM ejector tool. Documentations like safety guide and quick guide, which will give you end-to-end information about the phone. The phone comes with a transparent back cover which will protect your phone from any harm. Here is the OPPO A74 5G, comes with fantastic purple color. The phone has a 48 megapixel triple camera setup and OPPO branding at the bottom right. Now we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. And here is a 2-pin wall charger which supports 18 watt of fast charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the OPPO. I have with me the OPPO A74 5G. The smartphone offers a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display having a pixel density of 405 ppi and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. OPPO A74 5G has a bezel-less punch hole display. On the right spine, you will find the power button works as a fingerprint sensor. On the other side, the phone has a volume rocker and SIM tray. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. OPPO A74 5G comes with a triple camera setup with OPPO branding at the bottom. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. OPPO A74 5G comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 chipset with 8nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 6GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB, which can be further expanded up to 256GB. OPPO A74 5G offers a 5000 mAh battery powered by an 18 watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 48 megapixel triple camera setup and includes a 48 megapixel primary camera supported by a 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel mono camera. Also, the phone offers an 8 megapixel front camera. The software version of the OPPO A74 5G is Android 11 with ColorOS. So guys, that's it for OPPO A74 5G. Thank you so much for watching this video.